For me, confidence is important, especially in beauty. Because if you have beauty and you know how to take care of your skin, you are confident in facing clients toward others. I'm Cher. I'm the head of operations here. I've been here for 11 years doing this beauty skincare treatment, and we are dedicated by delivering highest standards of beauty and skincare procedures with premium products and hygienes, and this is our way of fashion, so beauty and wellness. We love to offer the following services like facials, different kinds of facials. We have Hydra facial, black pearl facials, and we do basic facials also, whitening facials, and acne facial, back acne facial treatment. Yeah, we have that also. Slimming, like HIFU. From the traditional RF and traditional 79-day HIFU, we have 12-day HIFU. That's the high-end for these generations today. 12-day HIFU, facelifting, sir. Yan yun, lemon bottle for fat dissolving, glutathione, different kinds of drip, Cinderella drip, the ultimate signature drip, and miracle drip, stem cells, hickory drip.
Ito yung ginamit nila sa atin. Tawag nila dito sa service na to ay black pearl. So if you notice, parang meron siyang 8 probes. I felt na parang may cleansing, may parang a little bit of scraping, may malamig, may mainit, may pang moisturizing, mga ganyan, no? So yun nga, parang siyang may mga 8 probes na yun lahat yung ginamit nila sa atin. And I felt, refreshed, rejuvenated, and at the end, nilagyan pa nila ng sunscreen at saka konting massage. So, ganda, ang sarap.
So, I'm very thankful kasi nung dumating ako dito, yan, nakita ko yung double chin, yan, sa kakakain natin yan. So, ang ginawa ni ma'am, in-advise niya na magpa-meso lipo, yun ang una yung ginawa. Then, exilis. Yung exilis daw pampa-firm, parang contour and firm ng skin. And then, yung pinaka-last, yung pinakamaganda yung HIFU. Yan. After 2 weeks, sabi ni ma'am, makikita ko na yung result. Oh, ang kagandahan nito, kung aalagaan ko lang yung yung skin ko, hindi ako magkakaroon ng direct sunlight exposure, yung kunyari yung matagal ako sa sunlight up until 1 year, 6 months to 1 year. Yun, yung result nandun pa rin. So, naisip ko tuloy, ang ganda pala magpa-HIFU, no? Parang sa work natin, talagang konti lang yung sacrifice mo, lalo na kami na mababa ang tolerance sa pain, pero yung yung kanyang benefit ay mas mahaba. Thank you so much!
For the walk-ins clients, I guess, you can expect that here in this sanctuary, your safety is our top priority. If you're the first timer about gluta drip, we do first the skin test. Free assessment for skin care, for what client desire, what's the best treatment for them. We offer a comfortable ambience.
So, done with the treatment. So, hindi ako nagpa-facial ngayon. More on, nagpagawa tayo or nagpatanggal tayo ng warts. So, kung makikita nyo, yan, meron tayong mga pinagmarkahan. Pero, ang kagandahan dito, nawala yung mga warts natin. So, after 1 week, balik pogi na ulit tayo. Guys.
We are located here, Nepomuceno Avenue, the Shops Infinity, and Pulung, Maragul, Angeles City. You can visit our page, the Sanctuary Aesthetic Center, Angeles Branch.